HOA dues for 1 year. Seller will pay them. Want to wake up every morning to incredible sunrises? On the bay, Sunrise Bay in Fort Lauderdale. It's right off the Intracoastal Waterway and right next door to Coral Ridge Yacht Club. Boating, kayaking, paddle boarding, there's so much to do in your own backyard. This could be your pillow view. Prefer a more open kitchen? No worries, you could do this. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit could be yours for $460,000. Make this your paradise. Call now for your appointment. Karen Foster at 561-212-7769. Again, it's Karen Foster, 561-212-7769.